Hello, it's Chris from the Customer Success team here at AgentRelay, and today I'm going to talk you through the open house self-registration process. Agents can allow clients to self-register for virtual open viewings through a link or a QR code generated as part of the open house creation process. Once an open house viewing has been created, the registration link or QR code can be shared via email, social media and other marketing channels. So where do we find this link and QR code? Okay, so under viewings, you've got all your current viewings. So here we can see that we've got one for Rose Court. On the grey edit icon, if we click it and we scroll down, you can see the viewing type. And under here, we've got the registration link and the QR code. I'm going to show you what a virtual open viewing registration looks like using either the link or the QR code. Firstly, the link. By clicking on the green copy link button, the agent can share the link with a visitor. Once received and opened, the visitor will be taken to this page. Okay, here it invites them to register for a virtual open viewing. They simply put their name and email address and register. And once this has been done, the agent and the guest will receive an email confirmation of the open viewing. Secondly, the QR code. By clicking the green QR code button, the agent can share the QR code, allowing visitors to register for the virtual open house by scanning this code. Once scanned, the visitor will be taken to the same registration page as through the link, which is this one. If the maximum viewing slots have been filled, a notification will appear advising that the viewing is full. And it looks like this. The agent will also receive an email notification that there is no additional space, allowing them to contact a participant directly to arrange an additional scheduled viewing. Okay, I hope this has been a useful part of the open viewing registration process, and thank you very much.